Okay, I'm at a junkyard right now, and I heard there's a 1999 red Eclipse. I don't know if it's turbo, I don't know if it's all-wheel drive, but in this yard. I don't know how picked over it is either because it's been probably here a month and a half. But I'm gonna find out and get some parts off it, hopefully, and we'll see what we get. Cars. I gotta find that'll be there in the import section or Cruther section. You never know sometimes where they put DSM's cars, but we're gonna look through here and maybe find some other gems as well. Not a gem, but something of note anyway. Okay, I found it. I think it's gone, what I needed. Yeah, I wanted the door card. It's gone. Automatic. Let's see what we got in here. The turbo. Somebody decided they wanted the valve cover, I guess, and okay. Let's see what we got. And it was a GST by the look of it. Yeah, okay. No go. Some seats are out of it. This car is very picked over, but I found some unique stuff. If you look at it, it's an import from some country, but not the US or Canada. I gotta research this a bit. I'm not sure where this car actually came from. When I look, the VIN number is not right. Maybe some of you can help me out there, but I'm gonna do some research on this. If you look at the VIN number, I don't know if you can make that out a little bit. Yeah, see it says D32A, which is basically a front wheel drive, 2 liter. And then they just got they got 600 2283, not the regular Mitsubishi or Chrysler VIN number that these cars had. And when I look for the plate, of course, can't read what that says. It's all blanked out now. But that's on there. And another little thing, which tells me, is this European? Maybe it's from Germany or something. There's a side marker on it. And that didn't happen in North American cars that I ever recall. Can't tell if there's any Euro Spec lights on it, but very curious. Also, it's got the different mirrors on here. Should probably take these. These are pretty unique, actually. So I was pretty picked over what I wanted on here, so there's not too much. I might grab that ECU and these sills. I'm not getting the dummy spare, but there's a little gasket I want here. I was actually looking for a battery tray. One's missing there. It has the plastic piece and stuff, so I'll do that as well. What else did I maybe grab on here? Nice, yeah, there wasn't too much here to grab, but I might grab that little splash shield there. Yeah, I think that's it, but what is this? This actually isn't in bad shape either. It's got a dent in it there, but not too bad. See throughout. So I just thought I'd share that with you because I've never seen a Euro Spec Eclipse in Canada anyway, and to find it in a junkyard was quite a surprise. If you know guys have more information on that, feel free to comment on basically on the stats of how many were over there in Europe. I know from my looking at it in history, I guess, there hasn't been a lot. I know in Germany they had some roasters that kind of made as well, but I don't know where this one came from in the history about it. But if you know more about it, comment for us and let us know. So I thought I'd just share you my little junkyard crawl surprise. I found it fascinating. And obviously, you probably want to see me wrench on some stuff one of these days. I haven't done that for a while, so I got to get on that, and I got to get some work done. So I'm either going to get on this and or on that. So stay tuned for that. And until then, enjoy every day and always make it right.